this assessment asks us to generate the enantiomer of this chiral molecule in two different ways. First, by drawing the non-superimposable mirror image, and then by simply inverting the stereocenter. To draw the non-superimposable mirror image, we're going to imagine a mirror here, and we're basically going to draw what we would see if we were looking into this mirror. What we would see is, starting with the bonds, this bond here is going up and to the left, so the bond in the mirror is going to go up and to the right. We can go ahead and draw in the rest of the ring, the nitrogen and the two double bonds, to be here. And this wedged chlorine, this bold wedged chlorine that's going up, kind of going out at you, but towards the right side of the screen, is now going to be coming towards you, but to the left, pointing to the upper left of the screen. And so this would be a mirror image of this. Since they're non-superimposable, and that's what the problem is telling you, we know that they are enantiomers. The other way to do this is to keep the molecule in the same orientation, meaning don't draw the mirror image, but simply change the configuration of the stereocenter, where the chlorine here is on a bold wedge bond. Let's put that on a dash. This molecule also represents the enantiomer of the chiral molecule we started with. Now, if this and this are enantiomers, and this are enantiomers, then these two must be the same thing. How can we prove that? Well, let's imagine doing a 180-degree pancake flip where we lift this out of the plane of the page and flip it. This group, this nitrogen-based ring that's on the left here, is now going to be on the right. This chlorine that is going back into the page, when we take it and flip it, will now be coming forward. And so we can show that by drawing the chlorine here. All of this was on the right side of the molecule. Now it's all on the left side of the molecule. This ring was on the left side of the molecule. Now it's going to be on the right side of the molecule. And what you notice when we do both of those things is that we've generated the same molecule. And so this shows us that drawing the enantiomer can be done in two ways: draw the non-superimposable mirror image, or simply invert the stereocenter.